Hello, everyone, and good evening to you all. My name is Felton Parker. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. As always, each day is a wonderful day to be blessed by our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And I sincerely hope you folks had a truly blessed and wonderful Tuesday. What I have for you guys in tonight's video is a list of all the National Day holidays from my National Day calendar segment. That includes my featured National Day holiday. Also tonight, right after my National Day calendar segment, I'll have my famous birthday segment for you all. And also tonight in my weather segment, I will let you all know exactly what we're expecting for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, the last half of this week, the upcoming weekend, and on to the start of next week. So without further ado, let's get things started here on this Tuesday night as we conclude yet another day. As I begin my National Day calendar segment here, and of course today was National Egg Day. On this day, National Egg Day, excuse me, on the National Day calendar, National Egg Day falls on this day, and it is the perfect time to get a crack on celebrating this food holiday. Hashtag National Egg Day. Eggs are a nutrient-rich food that has gone back and forth with science and nutritionists over the decades, with people asking how many eggs are too many for a healthy diet. Whatever the decision is this year, we know one egg provides an excellent source of protein and vitamin D. At 75 calories and 5 grams of fat, it's an easy choice to satisfy hunger too. Excuse me. Here's the 5 excellent facts. 5 facts about eggs. 1. About 1 billion eggs are produced by American egg farmers each year. 2. Fresh eggs are hard to peel. 3. The average American consumes about 285 eggs a year. 4. Eggshells can have more than 17,000 pores. 5. Storing eggs upside down makes them last longer. Eggs are easily seasoned and paired well. Eggs are easily seasoned and paired well with vegetables to increase the nutritional value of a meal. Eggs are an essential ingredient to baked goods, and they are a part of our everyday diets. There is so much to celebrate in these small packages. Here's how to observe. Enjoy eggs for breakfast for those of you who have had them this morning. Did you have eggs for breakfast, or did you have them for lunch or dinner? Enjoy eggs for breakfast. How about a fried egg sandwich for lunch? What's your favorite way to enjoy an egg? Share your favorite way to enjoy eggs on social media by using the hashtag National Egg Day. Excuse me. So, how do you like your eggs? Do you like them boiled, fried? Do you like them boiled, scrambled, or omelet, or eggs Benedict? It's all about the egg. So today it was all about the egg, celebrating National Egg Day on this day, Tuesday, June 3rd. Today also was National Chocolate Macaroon Day, and also today was National Repeat Day. Here are famous people who have celebrated the birthdays earlier today on this day, Tuesday, June 3rd. Excuse me. Today, movie actor Louis Partridge turns 22. Rapper Lil RT turns 11. Pop singer Amelia Triple Charm turns 21. Tennis player Rafael Nadal turns 39. Former First Lady Jill Biden turns 74. Pop singer Lucas Rager turns 26. Rapper Dave East turns 37. Dancer Logan Favreau turns 27. Soap opera actress Michelle Keegan turns 38. TV actress Ann Winters turns 31. Photographer Eva Nice turns 28. TV show host Anderson Cooper turns 58. Politician Pierre Poilievre turns 46. Pop singer Maya Elena Scavo turns 27. NBA basketball player Jalen Suggs turns 24. TV actor Josh Shigara turns 39. TV actress Imogen Poots turns 36. Movie actor James Purefoy turns 61. Those are famous people who have had their birthdays earlier today. On this first Tuesday of June. On this Tuesday, June 3rd. Before I get with you guys in my weather segment, I need to go over to you all a list of the 2025. Of course, today marks the so now here's the list of the 2025 Atlantic season hurricane names. Since the season did start Sunday, this past Sunday, June 1st, which is the day before yesterday, and of course, now here's my summary of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. The 2025 Atlantic hurricane season is the ongoing Atlantic hurricane season in the Northern Hemisphere. The season officially began on June 1st, 2025, which is this past Sunday, and it will end on November 30th, 2025, which also falls on a Sunday. These dates adopted by convention historically describe the period in each year when most subtropical or tropical cyclogenesis occurs in the Atlantic Ocean, over 97%. So as of right now, we currently do not have anything. We currently, on this third day of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, we currently do not have anything in the tropics. As of right now, the tropics are quiet at the start of this new hurricane season. Here now, I like to go over the list with you guys with this year's hurricane season names, just so you all don't forget. Now here's the list of this year's Atlantic hurricane season names: Andrea, Barry, Chantal, Dexter, Aaron, Fernand, Gabriel, Umberto, Imelda, Jerry, Karen, Lorenzo, Melissa, Nestor, Olga, Pablo, Rebecca, Sebastian, Tanya, Van, Wendy. So this is the same list used during the 2019 season, with the exception of Dexter was added, which replaced Dorian. And this season is likely going to now I was supposed to have gone over this in last night's video with you guys, but because I ran out of time, just decided to go over with you all in tonight's video. So season is ongoing, and we have yet to see any storms developing so far this season. So on average we get about 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 of them major. So the latest forecast it says that we're expecting 16 named storms, 8 hurricanes, and at least 4 major hurricanes. So we'll see, and according to the latest update. So this comes from the TSR, updating the forecast, calling from the above average season, expecting 16 named storms, 8 hurricanes, and 4 major hurricanes, and an ACE index of 146. So we're expecting an above average season. So just get yourselves prepared for what could be another busy hurricane season in the tropics, as this hurricane season is officially getting underway. Now some of us could be dealing with we have a severe weather threat. Late tonight, a complex of thunderstorms across northern Texas and southern Oklahoma will move into far southeast Oklahoma and northeast Texas. These storms could produce strong and damaging wind gusts. So this could occur during the late evening, overnight, especially in portions of south central Oklahoma, and especially in the further north and west you go. The highest risk across far northeast Texas and southeast Oklahoma. Strong and damaging wind gusts to near 60 miles per hour will be the main threat overnight. Mild temperatures are expected overnight with high clouds overhead. Lows will be in the upper 60s and low 70s. So storms possible late tonight across. Storms are possible late tonight across mainly northeast Oklahoma, southeast Oklahoma, and southwest. Storms possible late tonight across mainly northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma, and southwest Arkansas. Lows will range anywhere from the mid 60s to lows in the mid 70s. So southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with stronger gusts. And the National Weather Service is currently experiencing a weather radio outage, which of course I cannot actually go over with, which means that until this is resolved, I'm not able to give you guys an actual high temperature from earlier today. But hopefully it gets resolved soon. So during the required update to the system this week, the NOAA weather radio will be offline and unavailable. It is currently unavailable, and this is expected to continue through at least Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Please take this time to make sure you have alternate ways to receive warning information during the 3-day outage. So we're not under any watches or warnings, of course. In most portions of north and central Texas are under severe thunderstorm watch. Portions of south and southeast Oklahoma are either on a tornado watch, severe thunderstorm warning, or a flood watch. So it could be dealing. So that they could be dealing with some storms in some parts of the area overnight tonight. Of course, the rain that you're seeing is impacting portions of southern Oklahoma and southwest Arkansas and all portions of east, north, and portions of central and east Texas here on this Tuesday night. That's the same line. That's the same line of storms that you see affecting west of the region and most portions of western Missouri, eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, and portions of central, and portions of a good portion of north central and east Texas here on this Tuesday night. Once again, we've seen a bit more turns of clouds like we saw today. I say that most of us were able to reach the upper 80s, the low 90s earlier today, and also turned out to be rather breezy, warm, and somewhat humid day, but not too unbearable. So we just had a mix of clouds and sunshine. Of course, we've seen a bit more tons of clouds compared to what we saw yesterday, thanks to disturbance coming from portions of central Texas. Temperature outside here on this Tuesday night is 81 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Humidity 70%, dew point is 70 degrees. It's a little muggy and humid out there tonight. We have a southeast wind at 8 miles per hour with the feels like temperature of 85 degrees at this hour. Barometric pressure is at 29.91 inches of mercury with 10-mile visibility. Severe weather and flood threats across the central U.S., southwest, and southern Florida. Scattered severe thunderstorms and heavy rain remain possible from the southern Great Plains to the Midwest. Locally, heavy showers and thunderstorms, as well as the potential for scattered flash flooding, are expected across the southwest and southern Florida. Smoke from Canadian wildfires will continue to bring reduced air quality across the upper Midwest and into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Excuse me. Excuse me. So tonight actually tonight for us we should be in the mid 70s. So we'll be a few degrees. Temperatures will most likely be on the warm and muggy side overnight tonight. Warm and humid, on the warm and muggy side overnight tonight, with the low temperature of 74 degrees with partly cloudy skies. And we're not expecting much of a chance rain other than a 10%, other than a small chance of a stray shower or two. which I cannot totally be ruled out, but most of us should stay dry overnight. With the low temperature tonight, 74 degrees. Tomorrow, going to your Wednesday, it will be humid with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Maybe not quite as warm as what we saw today, but still a warmer than average day. It is in store as we go into the day for your Wednesday. Still with. No, I'm going to rephrase this. Temperatures will actually be closer to normal tomorrow for your Wednesday with the high temperature of 88 degrees. They'll actually be closer to normal with the high temperature of 88 degrees with the mix of clouds and sunshine. We'll probably hold in more cloud cover during the day. We probably could use more cloud cover tomorrow to limit daytime warming. With the high temperature of 88 degrees with the south-southeast wind at 7 miles per hour. And I'm not expecting much of a chance of rain tomorrow going to your Wednesday. So with the humidity, we're just going to make the field awfully warmer. So we're expecting partly cloudy skies overnight with lows and ranging from the 70s to low 80s. So we'll start out tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. with partly cloudy skies, we should be at 74 degrees. 9 a.m. tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, we should be at 79 degrees. Noon tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, we should be at 85 degrees. 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon with partly cloudy skies, we should be at 88 degrees. 6 p.m. tomorrow evening with partly cloudy skies, we should be at 86 degrees. 9 p.m. tomorrow night with mostly clear skies, we should be at 81 degrees. So it's going to be another warm, humid, and muggy day for us tomorrow, but maybe not part of this one. So actually temperatures will be just about closer to normal. And now today, if I think today's high temperature, we probably may have reached 90. That probably would be the warmest we've gotten on this day. Now here's what the next 7 and 10 days have in store for us. So after tonight's low temperature, 74 degrees, it's going to be a bit on the warm and muggy side, 74 degrees. So, of course, that lets you know that's basically summer. Like, of course, so we're like at least 17 days away from the official start to summer. Now tomorrow going to your Wednesday, it will be humid, it will be partly cloudy. Expect a humid day tomorrow for your Wednesday with a mix of clouds and sunshine. I say tomorrow for the most part it will be partly cloudy and humid with the high of 88, low of 74. We'll have a south-southeast wind at 7 miles per hour and no rains expected. Now going to your Thursday, we'll start to see that at least a slight chance of rain. We'll expect a mix of clouds and sunshine, well, maybe just a straight shower thunderstorm, at least a slight chance of a shower thunderstorm. Today will be partly cloudy and humid with a slight chance of a shower thunderstorm or two possible. I'm not expecting anything much with a high of 91, low of 75. Winds will be from the south at 6 miles per hour, chance of rain 20%. Now going to your Friday, it would be mostly sunny and very warm. High of 94, low of 76. Winds will be from the southwest at 8 miles per hour and no rains expected. Saturday, it will be partly cloudy, very warm and humid with a chance of showers and thunderstorms possible, especially late in the day, Saturday into your Saturday night. High of 94, low of 75. Winds will be from the west-southwest at 7 miles per hour, chance of rain 40%. Sunday, expect a few thunderstorms in the morning. It will be partly cloudy and humid with a couple of thunderstorms possible. With a couple showers and thunderstorms around. High of 90, low of 74. Winds will be from the west at 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Monday is when it start to have a little better chance of seeing showers and storms as we go into the start of next week. It will be mostly cloudy with a few thunderstorms in the morning, followed by a brief shower or two. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely with mostly cloudy skies with the high of 92, low of 73. Winds will be from the northwest at 6 miles per hour, chance of rain 70%. And going to your Tuesday, it will be partly mostly cloudy and humid with the with a couple showers possible. With the high of 92, low of 74, winds will be from the south-southeast at 6 miles per hour, chance of rain 30%. And it looks like we will continue to keep the rain chances going basically through much of the remainder of next week. About getting into a mainly unsettled pattern with another disturbance coming through. Keeping rain chances present even toward the middle of next week, with next Wednesday, which is the 11th. It will be partly mostly cloudy and humid with the couple showers possible with highs in the upper 80s, chance of rain 40%. Then expect cloudy skies with showers and thunderstorms. With showers and thunderstorms likely, with highs and low 90s, chance of rain 50%. And finally, and toward the end of next week, next Friday, which is the 13th, expect mostly cloudy skies with a slight chance of a shower, thunderstorm or two possible. Highs will reach the low 90s with a chance of rain 20%. So temperatures are over the next several days aren't going to be anywhere too far from early June standards. So we could be looking at least close to an inch of rain between now and the first part of next week. Close to an inch of rain expected. So we're basically gonna continue the summer-like pattern, with the exception of tomorrow. We'll have highs in the upper 80s. So high temperature tomorrow, which for going into your Wednesday, your high temperature for tomorrow going into your Wednesday will reach the upper 80s. Thursday we'll have highs reaching and of course beginning Thursday through, we'll have high temperature reaching the upper 80s for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, which is actually closer to where we should be this time of year. Then we'll have highs, we'll settle in with our highs in the low to mid 90s over the next several days, beginning Thursday through at least Tuesday of next week. Now this is going to be a completely total washout. We have at least a chance of showers and storms just about each and every day, with exception of tomorrow. So tomorrow is looking mainly dry with no rain expected. Only a 20% chance by Thursday, slight chance of rain by Thursday. No rain expected for Friday. Get another break from the rain Friday. 40% rain chances for both Saturday and Sunday. That's the upcoming weekend. 70% for Monday, 30% for Tuesday next week. That will be all that I have for you guys in tonight's video. Once again, my name is Felton Parker, and I'm officially signing off here. You guys have a good night's sleep peacefully. Take care of yourselves and each other. Most of all, remain blessed and stay safe. Thank you.